Mermaid Splashes Snack Pack Pudding. Made with starfish wishes. Mermaid life. Have any one of you ever tried these snack pack puddings, or have you seen them at the store where you live? Please let me know down in the comments below. I saw these and I saw these and I want to buy them to try them out. I say they might be good. So besides, I thought they were cute too. Comes with pink and blue in here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for everyone that's been watching my videos, and have a great day.